So today's the day. We're on our way to take the Z-Pipe to VAG MotorWorks to get it installed on my Audi RS5. This is going to be the world first Audi RS5 with a Z and H pipe on a single exhaust. It's going to sound amazing. A couple comments asking why did I choose a Z-pipe versus a regular H-pipe. Let me break down my craziness a little bit. So the Z-pipe offers better volumetric efficiency, scavenging from the headers. So with that, you also get significantly improved rasp. So this is where the H-pipe comes in. It acts as a resonator, cancelling out the high-pitched rasp at high RPMs where my RS5 lives. So this combined setup should give the RS5 even better high-end RPM exotic sound and a low-end V8 rumble.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
We're gonna head over to VAG MotorWorks to get this installed.
Horrendous!
Well, it wasn't that bad.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, there were parts of it I liked.
Yeah, I liked a lot of it.
Yeah, it was good.
It was great!
It's wonderful!
Oh, bravo!
More!
I think I know just what we need.
The hour's approaching, give it your best, and you've got to reach your prime. That's when you need to put yourself to the test and show us a path to the time. You're gonna need a montage. Ooh, it takes a montage. So that things happening at once remind everyone of what's going on. And with every shot show a little improvement to show it all would take too long. That's called a montage.
Of course we gotta record without any exhaust on it. You have to for the YouTube. Ready? Ready? Ready as ever, me.
Brother, that thing's chunky.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Do that again! Do it again! Forget the exhaust. We just do that. Huh?
Just leave it off.
Let's leave it off. Hit it again. Hit it again. When I unboxed the whole thing, that little thing was the sickest thing in the whole box.
This.
On Supers, it's not too bad, although the flip side is also that, like, most things
Yeah,
on
we're
Supers, you know...
We're gonna test the flow of this exhaust, see if it's lying. It's a world first, man. You gotta test these things. So the theory is, if you blow air on one side, it should put a suction on.
Today, new at this back. Saturday, August Don't move it. There we go. Catch up, please.
It works!
The
Huzzah!
ah, what? Ah, did we? What? Wait. Do that again. I need another day.
It
Give me
works.
another.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we are going to hear what it sounds like with no mufflers. This is gonna be crazy. So, so we got the downpipes on, we got the Z-pipe in with the H-pipe. Now we're gonna listen to what it sounds like without the mufflers. Yeah, go ahead. Let's see what it sounds like. Whoa. So it sounds like with no mufflers. Sounds nice.
How was that louder? How was that louder than just straight headers?
That's ridiculous. The only thing I can think of here is like we just created a giant echo can. That's it.
I think you should leave the mufflers off.
Straight pipes, Leon.
Straight pipes.
Straight pipes. Take the silencers, throw them in the trash.
Yeah, no mufflers. It's louder. It is friggin' in. It's finally done. Getting the stock exhaust was a pain to the stock exhaust. Now we're gonna hear what the car sounds like with the Milltek Z-Pipe, the zero pipe on the RS5.
Milltek exhaust system for one, but more importantly, a Z-pipe. It is officially on. We're gonna see what this thing sounds like. Loki, I'm really stoked for this one. You ready?
I'm totally hyped.
Yeah.
I am totally hyped.
Alright,
This thing is gonna be absolutely amazing. I am totally hyped.
No, my bad. RS5.
fire in the hole.